letter. A.
You can do it! Come on, buddy!
A for apple. Well done!
You can do it!
Amazing! A for apple. That's amazing! That's amazing! A for apple.
Come on, buddy!
Good job!
Come!
Woohoo! Wonderful! Trace the letter. B.
Come on, buddy!
B for ball. Good job!
Come!
Correct! Good job! Superb! B for ball.
Come on, buddy!
Good job!
Come on, buddy!
B for ball.
You can do it!
Good. Trace the letter. C. C for crown.
Come on, buddy!
Well done! Amazing! C for crown.
You can do it!
Outstanding! Congrats! Trace the letter. D.
You can do it!
D for donut.
Come on!
Correct! D for donut.
Come on, buddy!
Amazing! Good job! D for donut.
You can do it!
Marvelous! D for donut. Trace the letter. E.
You can do it!
E for earth.
You can...
Good job! E for earth. Correct! E for earth. Wonderful!
You can do it!
That's amazing! That was awesome!
Come on, buddy!
E for earth. Superb!
You...
Well done! Woohoo! Trace the letter. F. F for fan. Good job!
You can do it!
Wonderful!
You can...
Good job! Wonderful! F for fan.
You can do it!
F for fan.
You can do it!
Perfect! Outstanding! Amazing! F for fan. Trace the letter. G.
You can... Come on, buddy! You can do it!
Good job!
You can do it! Come on!
Well done! Nice! Wonderful!
You can do it! Come on, buddy!
Good job!
Come on, buddy!
G for grapes.
Come on, buddy! Come on, buddy! You can do it! You can do it!
That was awesome! Fantastic! Trace the letter. H. H for honey. Wonderful! H for honey.
You can...
Congrats! Fantastic! Woohoo! H for honey.
You can do it!
for ice. Marvelous. I for ice. Marvelous.
You can do it!
That's amazing. Wow.
You can do it!
Amazing. I for wonderful. Outstanding. Trace the letter. J. J for Jewel. Woohoo! Superb. Fantastic.
Come on, buddy!
Wow!
You can...
Woohoo! Fantastic. Trace the letter. K.
You can do it!
K for kite.
Come on!
That was awesome. Nice. Superb. Correct.
You can do it!
K for kite.
Come on, buddy!
Outstanding.
You can...
Woohoo! Congrats. Woohoo! Letter. L.
You can do it!
L for lemon.
You...
Well done. Fantastic. Nice. L for lemon.
You can do it! You can do...
Woohoo! Fantastic. L. Trace the letter. M.
Come on, buddy!
Good job. Correct. Good job.
You can do...
Marvelous. That was awesome. M for mango.
Come on, buddy!
Wow. Wow. Superb. Good job.
You can do it!
M is the letter. N.
Come on, buddy!
N for nest. Perfect. Fantastic.
You can do...
Good job. Wow.
Come on, buddy!
N for nest.
Come on!
Wow.
You can...
That's amazing. Marvelous.
Come...
Trace the letter. O.
Come on, buddy!
O for orange.
You can do it!
Good job. That was awesome. O for orange.
Come on, buddy!
Marvelous. Good job.
You can...
Trace the letter. P.
Come on, buddy!
P for panda.
You can...
Nice.
You can do it!
Nice. Marvelous.
Come on, buddy!
P for panda.
Come...
That was awesome. That's amazing. That was you.
You can do it!
Q for quill.
You can do it!
Fantastic.
Come on, buddy!
Marvelous. Perfect.
Come on, buddy!
Q for quill.
You can do it! You can do it!
Fantastic. Perfect. Perfect. Letter. R.
You can do it! Come on!
Nice.
Come!
That was awesome. robot.
You can do it!
R for robot.
Come,
Wonderful! Outstanding! That's amazing! Trace the letter. S.
come on, buddy!
S for shirt. That's amazing! Well done!
You can do it! Come on!
Good job! Correct! S for shirt. Trace the letter. T.
You can do it!
T for tree.
You can do it!
Fantastic! T for tree.
Come on!
Amazing! Fantastic!
You can do it!
T for tree. Wow! Woohoo! Outstanding! Trace the letter. U.
Come on, buddy!
U for unicorn.
Come on, buddy!
Woohoo! Congrats!
Come on, buddy!
U for unicorn.
You can do it!
Good job! Wonderful! That's amazing! U for unicorn. Trace the letter. V.
You can do it!
V for vase.
Come,
That was awesome! V for vase. Congrats! Nice! V for vase.
you can do it!
Correct!
You
Wonderful! Correct! Letter. W.
You can do it!
Congrats! W for whale. Outstanding! Outstanding! That's amazing! Marvelous!
Come on, buddy!
W for whale.
Come on, buddy!
That's amazing! Wonderful! Well done! Congrats! Outstanding! W. Trace the letter. X.
You can do it!
That was awesome! X for X-ray. Well done! Congrats!
You can do it!
X for X-ray. Well done! Good job! That's amazing! Trace the letter. Y.
You can do it!
Marvelous! Marvelous! Outstanding! Superb!
Come on, buddy!
Y for yarn. Amazing!
You can do it!
Perfect! That's amazing! Y for yarn. Trace the letter. Z.
Come on, buddy!
Amazing!
Come,
That was awesome! Perfect! That was awesome! Z for zebra.